Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're showing you how to reset the brake light on your BMW. Okay, so on this vehicle here, we have the brake light illuminated in red, and on the screen here, it's telling us that we have to replace our brake pads. Brake pads are worn down to the minimum thickness. So on your brakes, you actually have these brake pad wear sensors, and there's one on the left front and there's one on the right rear. And what happens is when the brake surface comes in contact with this, it wears this out and basically creates an open in the circuit. You should probably replace this, or what you can do is cut it and tie them together with like a butt connector or some solder, and that would then complete the circuit and make things happy again. So after you replace the brake pad wear sensor, you come into your vehicle, you turn the vehicle on. Do not turn the engine on, just turn the ignition on. And you could tell by the check engine light illuminated here. And you hold down this trip reset button. And then this triangle will come up and you'll come into this page here. And so this has the front brake pads. You hold it down again. Oop, it kicked me out. We'll go back into it. So you hold down the button and it asks you if you want to reset. So you hold it down again. And then boom, we reset the front brake pads. And then the rear, we'll do this too because we also did the rear brakes on this. So we'll hold it down again. Hold it down again. Yes, if we want to reset, hold it down one more time. And boom, it reset that. And that's how you reset your brake pad or your brake light on your vehicle. Your brake light can also come on for a couple different things. So one, it comes on if your pads get down to minimum thickness. And another reason it could come on is if that timer in there, the mileage countdown for the brake pads, if that gets down to 0, it'll trip that light too, even though, let's say you have brand new brake pads on it, it could also trip that light. So all you gotta do is go back in here and reset it. And then the third thing why it could come on is if you have an issue with like your ABS sensor, it'll also trip that. Or if you have an issue with your parking brake, it could trip that as well, or even if you have low brake fluid too. So there's a few different things that light could pop up with, but the most common is your brake pads and your brake pad wear sensors. So if you get those replaced and you reset your timer on your instrument cluster, all should be good, and you should have that light off. Thanks for watching, guys.